How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Pokemon Glazed episode 6. Okay, today we are going to take on the third gym leader, Flo, the sexy water type specialist. In this game, the man in front of ourselves is Flo's son, and he doesn't care if anybody says his mother is sexy. What is up with this game, man? Our meta engrave to level 23. If you don't know, this gym is an water type gym, and our Infernup is not good for a water type gym. Okay, I'm gonna add a new team member to our team. I'll see you guys when I battle that team member. Okay, let's look at our balls. Okay, 27 red balls. See you there. Okay guys, I found a Pikachu. We are gonna add this thing to our team. Think a takedown will don't get it. Yes. Good. We got it on first try. Okay. I'll see you guys when I add that thing to our party. Okay guys, I'd add that Pikachu to our party. It is level 25. It's one level away from learning Thunderbolt. If it evolved, it can't learn Thunderbolt. But I am being me being me. I'm gonna evolve this thing. Yes. Pikachu! Evolve. Hey, but it can't learn Thunderbolt now. But I can teach it Thunderbolt by TM. Thunderwave. It doesn't know any attacking electric type move. Okay, we're getting rid of Slam. After our Infernup got to level 40, we will use it. Okay, let's battle these trainers. I'll see you when I finish all these trainers. Okay, I defeated 2 trainers. Our Infernup grew to level 40, and we're gonna use our Raichu. If you don't know how to solve this puzzle, if you defeat these 3 trainers, you can go to this machine, and the machine you can see and turn it on, and the puzzle will be solved. Okay, I'll see you. We are under leveled for this gym, but we will one shot things anyway. Okay. Freaking Poliwag can outspeed us. You are not in water type. Just like that, the soldier followed. Okay, I'll see you when I heal up. I am back. Let's take on Flo. Before that, I'm gonna change up our 40. Okay. Our Swampert is level 45. Leader Flo sent out War Total. One shot. Two shot. One shot. One shot. Give the water pulse steam to me. I don't need it because I had muddy water, but muddy water is inaccurate. Okay, we are going to take on 4th gym in this episode. Or maybe not. We don't care about Germinate Village. Okay, let's change up our race. Okay. Put our Infernup. Infernep. Infernep. Use earthquake. We're 12 levels above and we can't one-shot things. Weird. Okay. Let's cross this freaking bridge. Your survivor don't stand a chance. I know why that Conqueror survived our earthquake even though we are 12 hours above. Because its defense is very high. Okay, we're gonna teach Rock Smash to one of our team members. Rock Smash is good for Raichu. Bye bye double team. The Mood Electri is located on Pokemon League, so our Infernep will have cut for a long time. Our Infernep moveset will be this for a long time. We got a rare candy which is very useless. You. Haha, now I can finally have my revenge. I'll just take this and be on my way. Are you kidding me? You stole our badges. We are out of badges now. Yay! Yes, we got our source of grinding now. This freaking trainer here is very good for experience. Are you kidding me? This will give you a lot of XP though. Delivered. Skip Bloom. I'll see you guys when I defeat this guy and brought our whole team up to level 35. Okay, I defeated these two trainers and go to this city. I don't care what you say, Blake. I want to progress through this game. Okay, let's heal up our party. And I'm gonna grind up. I'll see you when I grind our whole team. Our Larvitar and Boyagana and our Raichu is waiting for us to grind them. Okay, I brought us up to Lighthouse and we leveled up our Swampert. Our Larvitar is 25 and learned our Rock Slide by Sandstorm. And our Raichu is same level. Our Bagon is same level. Metang I grow to level 35 and I taught it Earthquake and it learned Pursuit, and our Infernep stays the same. I think that's it. Yes. We're gonna evolve that thing, our Larvitar. I'll see you guys when it grows up to level 30. Okay, our Larvitar grew to level 30 and it is evolving. What? Larvitar is evolving into Pupitar. Okay guys, I'll see you when our Bagon evolves. Okay guys, with that guys, our Swampert grew to level 50. And this is the first ever Pokemon in our party grow to level 50. But in the post when we are going to change up our teams and replace these two and our Infernep and Swampert with some best Pokemon. See you when it's going to evolve. Okay guys, our Bagon grew to level 30 and it's going to be evolved into a Shelgon. If you hear any sound, it's my brother shouting from outside. Sorry. Okay guys, I'm done with this grinding in this episode. I'm grinding for half an hour. The pseudo legendary takes ages to level up. Okay, I'll see you guys. Today we are gonna defeat the 4th gym. I'll see you guys when I got to the town. Okay, guys, we are back. Okay, I forgot to heal up. I'll heal up after I'm done with this trainer. It will be a breeze though. The gym loader will be easy. Okay. There are Pikachus. There are Pikachus everywhere. If the gym loader had a jump up with leech seed and it will outspeed, and if it outspeed my Infernape, that's the game. I'll reset. Okay, let's fuck up this trainer. Okay, I'll see you guys when I defeat these trainers. I'll see you after I heal up. What happened to me? Okay, guys, I healed up. Let's battle this gym leader. Yes! Take that, you Venus Toys. And take that, you freaking Leafeon. When I first battled through this gym, the Jumpluff annoyed me. It wrecked me with Leech Seed. This is the third time I'm playing through this game. The first time I played this game as Pokemon Glazed, and this game had an improved version, Pokemon Glazed, and I also played through that game, and playing this game. No. Okay, you fucking piece of crap. I wanna grind for the next episode. Okay, guys, I'll see you next episode when I grinded our party up to level 30 whole team. Okay.